thank you for that like. Anyway, I'm taking a break from YouTube because I have school literally every day. But Christmas holidays are coming up. So maybe I'll be uploading more videos soon. More cool content. I'm not sure. I'm just hoping for the best, I guess. Anyway. You guys understand that I'm just like only just in school. That I'm only like that I'm like more than like you know that. Yeah, I'm not showing my age online. Anyway, from YouTube for now. Hopefully you guys understand now. I gotta take a break from YouTube sometimes. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed me getting hit by a train. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.